Everyone, my name is Njas Jabo. To prepare as AI influencer, I am at helping ordinary people to break into the tech world without tech skills. So, in this particular video, I want to show you guys how you can get any image prompt that you want without going to bother about the kind of prompt to write, how to craft the prompt, how to get the exact image. So it is only applicable for people who actually have access to use GPT-4 or GPT-4o. So if you want to get access to use my personal GPT-4o, send me a DM after watching this particular video. I'm going to give you access to get access to my image creation ebook and access to the chat GPT-4o. So in this video, we are going to focus on how you can get this image that you want from Pinterest or any image you want if you have another image you want to recreate. So if you got the image already, better. But if you don't want, you don't have any other idea, you want to get inspiration from Pinterest, so we are going to head over to Pinterest, get the image, get the prompts fixed with GPT-4o and create the image using either DAL3 or DAL or Adobe Firefly. So let's quickly head over to Pinterest. So I'm going to look for my Pinterest and search for beautiful images that I would like to recreate. So these are all images that are here. Images. So I will just be scrolling. I will scroll. If I see anyone that I would like to recreate, I will just quickly pick that. I have packed one or two. We could go for this. Can go for this. Let's scroll if we can also get something more technical. Okay, so this is it now. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on this particular place and download this particular image. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. So I will move over to my GPT-4, which gives me access to use the tray inside it as part of the GPTs inside. So let me quickly go to my chat GPT. I am using the mobile version. So if you click on the tray, the two dots at your left side of your screen, you are going to see the tray, but this is how you could get it. So if you go to your GPTs, these are hot take here from chat GPT alone or from OpenAI. So this is the three here. If you click on this particular place, click on start chat. So on the bottom of your screen, there is a camera icon, there's an image icon, there's a file icon. For the file icon, you can use it to upload any PDF or document that you want to analyze within ChatGPT. For this other one, you can take an image. The other one is you can collect from your gallery. So let's click on the one on gallery and click on this place, select the image, click on add. So you're going to wait for it to add. Once it shows the picture here, it has added. So the next thing you're going to do is use this simple prompt I'm going to include here. I'll say generate an image prompt for this picture. So if you just type this particular short prompt, you click on enter, it is going to analyze this particular image and create something for you. So this is a prompt from this particular image you posted. It says generate an image of a packaged post-station product. The package is a white um resealable bag. So this is just it. You will just copy it here, copy text, copy everything here. If you want to recreate this particular image using del tray, you can just paste the prompt back. But if you want to use other AI tools like Adobe Firefly, Leonardo.ai, or any other AI text image, you can go ahead. But for this purpose, we are going to try it out with del tray again to see what we got. So this is it. I will remove generate and text to try what I'm going to get here. I'll just leave this image off. So I clicked on this particular prompt, I pasted it back and clicked on enter. So we are going to sit back and wait to know the kind of results we are going to get from this AI too. So let us wait. So this is the result we got from this particular AI. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is what we got from here. If you don't actually like the result, you can just ask it to remove something. So let's assuming, let's go back to here. We don't like where it wrote this 100% natural something. You didn't like it. What we just do is that we just click on select, mark that particular place. Sorry, zoom in a little, mark that particular place. I'm actually getting it. This thing is too large. Okay, let me just say click on next, and you just prompt it to remove this. This is the edge you have if you are using um GPT-4 over other. So it is going to remove that particular place. You can also use this method to select and ask it to rewrite a particular word you don't want. But if you want to continue editing manually using Pixel Lab, CapCut, or PixArt, you can do that. Just for you to erase popular places that you didn't get right and do it manually. So with this, you can go ahead and continue getting something like this. I guess it didn't actually remove it. So let's try again. Let's try again. Guess it's because we actually selected a huge number of places. I'm going to zoom in a little, reduce the size of the brush. The size is still too much. The size is still too much. Let me go down. Oh, this is always much. Okay. So that is the first step of using it to create a product image for yourself instead of hiring a graphic designer that will charge you a lot of money. So what you need to do to get it if you're trying to recreate it for a business is that you head back to this particular prompt wherever it mentions a particular product name or information that you want to change. Like this close bush, you can easily come back here. Let me copy this here, paste it back, paste it back here. You come back to where it wrote this particular thing and change it to something like, let's say okay, something like this. You hit on enter, it will definitely change it to whatever letter that you choose. So you see from here the first image we're trying to do, it has enraged that particular icon there. You can do that with other icons that you want it to remove. You can also mark that particular place and ask it to rewrite it to something else, which it will do just that for you. So this is what we wrote. I didn't get the correct spelling. So you can also mark that particular place and ask it to rewrite. Or you will just have to erase that particular place so that you use Pixel Lab and edit it or PixArt. So that is first thing for product image. Let's head over to PixArt again to get a real human being's picture. So let's go. Let's continue scrolling. Scroll a little bit. I'm trying to know if I could get a more complicated image. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Click on the three dots, click on download. This is it. We go back to PixArt, and to make sure that the result was not biased, you have to open a new tab, clearing the history. So we click on the image icon as we did before. We select, click on add. You also use that same prompt, generate image prompts for this picture. So you hit on enter. It's going to analyze the image and create the prompt that you should use. So the exit is going to analyze the image and bring out the prompt for us. So after this, we are now going to request to get different ways you can get exactly the same image you need using either Dell or Adobe Firefly, which is more accurate. So this is the image. Copy, paste back. I'll always like to remove the create and always like. So if you hit on that same prompt you got from Dell 3 using the power of GPT-4, this is what we are going to get. So let's just relax and see what we are going to get from this particular prompt that we copied from an existing image. This is actually done if you want to use an image that you like, but you don't want to pay a model for it. Okay, so this is it. This is it. This is how it's looking. Forgot that that was a black a Nigerian, but this looks like a white or British. So let's go back to the prompt and check it again before we move over to show you another different magic using Adobe Firefly. So an image of a young Nigerian man or African man, Nigerian man, so that it will affect with the skin and the nature of this particular person. So let's do this. Then we move over to the next phase. So this is with that tray. Is how you can get it. But if you want to get a better result than this, we use Adobe Firefly. It's free for some time. If you want to continue using it, you can just pay either $5 a month. So this is the recreated version of this. This is the first one. The second one is loading. If you click on save, it will quickly download it. Okay, so the other one is still generating. So that is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to head over to use Adobe Firefly, which is this. So let's head over to my browser. It's my browser. You click on adobefirefly.com or firefly.adobe.com. So this is Adobe Firefly. What you're trying to do here is what I call image referencing. So if you click on generate text image, click on there, allow it to load. Most times this particular referencing style doesn't come out at the first instance unless you input a prompt to try it out. So I will first click on this particular place and input my prompt. So I am going to input my prompt here. Zoom out a little. If you're using a laptop, it will give you a better view. Click on generate. So let's wait for it to generate. It is generating. Why it is generating? This is how you can actually get exactly what you are looking for. Okay, sorry, I think I have reached the minimum usage for this particular month for free, so we have to subscribe. But in the next video, I am going to get it perfectly. But this is what I'm trying to do. If you have texted this particular prompt now, this is how you can do it to get a perfect image that looks like the one you're trying to recreate. If you scroll down or you look at the left hand corner, you will see structure. Click on upload image. If you click on upload image, you select the particular image you want to recreate. Where is the image we got? I think it's not here. Let me just go back to my gallery and get this. So this is the recent image. You click there. It will ask you about uploading image. You click on continue. It has uploaded image. You increase the strength. You come back to style and visual intensity. Click on upload again. Upload that same image. If you upload that same image, it is going to copy most times exactly the same fix, posture, the outfit, and every other thing on the image. So you increase the strength, increase the intensity, and you hit on generate. Doing that, it is going to create something similar, exactly like the image you want to regenerate or recreate. So if you want to get access to use my GPT-4, which costs over $20 a monthly, you want to get access to it, and you want to get my ebook on how to generate ultra realistic images with over 200 image prompts inside, click on the link below and get access to chat with me on WhatsApp. Thank you.